Hi guys, it's Talisa Ferguson and I'm 11 years old and I'm back! So we moved from Hawaii all the way to Colorado and right now we're living in Airbnb, kind of like a hotel. Even though we don't have a forever home yet, we're still going to enjoy the holidays by celebrating Halloween and carving some pumpkins.
All right.
Let's get started. You might need adults' help for this. To carve out the hole in the pumpkin. Right now, we're going to pick our design. So I'm going to try to do an easy one because I'm not the best. Okay, perfect.
All right, let's first cut the top off.
Okie dokie.
You think we should go from the top or the bottom?
Let's do the top. It's
Okay,
easier.
And then we need to cut out all the goods.
Okay, so this is my favorite part. Oh man, I have to do that, do I?
Yeah, get started.
Let's do this. Oh my gosh, I'm washing my hands off of this. Sometimes hands are more useful. Yeah, let's do this. This is so fun and yet so gross, but fun. All done, and I did not need any of my dad's help.
What's with your face?
I don't know. Good job, Dad. Oh.
Glorious son.
Okay. I'm trying to concentrate. On the 31st day of Halloween, my true love gave to me a pumpkin.
One carving pumpkin.
Masterpiece. Favorite part. Yes, got it. Perfect. Now I've got it. And I finished. I absolutely love it.
Good job.
Thank you. Whoa, what a big mess. But I still enjoyed doing this. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Happy Halloween!
Time for the favorite part.
Let's clean up. Sorry.
Hey,
Wrong.
get Talisa Ferguson.
3, 2,
Bloopers.
1. It's not coming out. It's not coming out.
Hold on. You want me to try it?
Yeah. I still had so much fun doing this, and I hope you guys like watching too.
It's a mommy.
Hi, baby.
It's a
And I
Talisa.
go, Addie. Say hi
Hi.
to the camera.
Say hi.
Hi.
Happy Halloween. Figure this, I took it out, and this is what happened. Sad face.
Too weedy, Talisa. I'm done with you.